Always Remember Me This Way ba yun? Kay Lady Gaga. Tsaka Till My Heart Aches End.
Till My Heart.
Ayun. Naku, matatambakan ka dito ngayon, ate. Huwag kang pabagal-bagal.
Request ko, Lady Gaga.
You know, magkano yan?
Ay, ano ba?
Magkano yan? Magkano
Sakto,
yan? Ate Vic, magkano yan?
California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words,
When?
every time you say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always run around. We don't know how to ride, but then we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. So the part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time you say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I wanna be just like baby. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
May pa?
May pa. Hindi ganon. Hindi ka sasabunan.
Complete service ba?
Grabe ba?
Ate Vic, magkano ka, Ate Vic?
Ay.
Ay, thank you so much, Ate Mahal. Asa na si Ate Din? Ay, yung request mo, Ate Din, antayin mo talaga.
Sino po ba ito? Kanino to? Kanino to?
Kay Ate Din, yung request mo ay, Ate Din.
I thought when you said that you would never leave me, I told you more, so much more like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and I'm so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live a life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight and live into my dreams. You come and touch me once again. I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart is end. And then, without even saying that you're leaving, I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and love so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight and live into my dreams. You come and touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till my heart is dead.
Very nice guy.
My dreams just come and touch me once again. I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart is dead.
Ano, hindi pa na-click nun eh. Hindi pa, level 1 pa lang.
Dreaming till my heart is dead.
Wala, bigyan ng kape. Kape, yung kape dito. Nag-iing yung kape.
Diyos ko, ilag kayo
May namaril pa.
ilag.
May namaril pa. Patay. Mali. Premyo. 5,000 lang ito, 5,000 premyo.
Ayun, no?
Okay, paano ba ito? Comments. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tama na yung 10. 2,000 na ba?
Ang pangit ng hagis.
Tama na yung 10. 2,000 na tira. Yung kakapusing eh. Ano, may gaya? Ano again?
Ang pangit ng hagis ngayon, Sarge.
Wala, pinaspasan ko nga eh. Ay, 2,000 na tira eh.
Yes
Okay na
po,
yung
Ate
claim.
Mariel.
Yung premyo sa'yo, premyo. Ano pa ang request dyan? O, sige. Pangilan na yung kanta mo, Clay? Pang-apat na ba yun?
Naubusan.
Sino may mag-CCS? Ating. Nasabi mo mag-CCS. Palit kami upuan.
Hindi po, CS naman po yung lahat.
Mag-CCS.
CS po yan,
Palit kami.
Sarge. Okay lang yan.
Ha?
CS po to lahat.
Okay lang.
Yes.
Baka may mag-CCS dito sa baba. Palit kami.
CS po lahat. Hanggang sa
Palitan lang kami
16 po, Sarge. CS lahat yan. Yung upuan.
Ay, sa crown seat. Yung crown seat.
Oo. Crown seat lahat yan, Sarge. Huwag kang
Lahat?
mag-alala. Crown City.
Lahat na.
Huwag kayong malito.
Ah,
Malito.
oh, ano kasi, muling kasi, sa amin dito yung muling, yung
Muling-ling.
taga-bundok kasi, kaya muling.
Muleng-leng, gano'n.
Sige, CS lang pala kayo dun, ha? Hindi ko alam eh. Basta mo pala dyan, CS ka na rin kayo.
Matik yan.
Si Kat. Okay, maso-maso, Kleng. Wala ba yung nakantang na?
Ano ba? Ano pa po?
Oh, golden daw, golden. As per request by Jonah. Golden daw, golden.
Baka akyatin ako ni nanay dito.
O ba, golden at isang love daw, sabi ni Jonah.
Bakit?
Isang love daw, sabi ni Jonah, yung golden.
Ano? Nakakahiya sa kapit ko.
Thank you sa agis din. Thank you. Bigyan.
Akyatin ako ni nanay talaga dito. Mag-golden palo.
Ay, mad lang. Mind lang. Huwag kang bibirit ng gusto. Okay, sandok na kando.
Ipapalseto ko yun. Hindi natin mabibigyan ng hostation.
Paano naman kakanta ng golden yan pag ibubulong lang, Sarge naman gagawa ka
Kaya
ng
nga po
legendary
eh.
yung gagawin mo, Sarge.
Ay, kailangan ng birit pa din natin. Bahala ka dyan eh. Nandito naman ako sa Marinduque eh. Bahala ka dyan.
Sabi niya, wag ka maingay, masasandukin ka ng nanay mo, tapos papakantahin ng golden asa ng hostisya.
Oo nga. Kahapon to si Jonah, oh. Asa rin ako ng mga bata dito.
Ay, birit pa rin yung kanta na yun. Yung golden, birit ba yun?
Pang umaga lang siya, ay pang umaga.
Kapag umaga lang. Sige, bahala ka dyan. Pang umaga lang pala yun.
Sige, bahala ako. Sa susunod na lang po. Jonah, next song please. Huwag tayong gumolden, baka pumunta si Kap. Golden true! Yung hostisya, yung hostisya, hindi mabibigay. Pag binulong natin yung golden. Iba na lang po. Iba na. Uy, Jonah, kung ano lang siguro, kung mga 7 or 6, pwede pa eh.
Pero,
Andiyan na nag-iikot na yung mga tanod.
baka, correct. Baka puntahan ka ng mga tanod dyan. Baka yung kapitbahay natin dyan ay tumawag sa barangay.
May nagwawala po dito, pakipuntahan niya po.
Yung message ko.
Pero tinatanong ko sina tayo sina Miley. Sabi ko, naririnig niyo po pag umangawa ako dun sa bahay? Hindi daw.
Ay, tahimik pala. Baka tulog naman na sila yung kapitbahay natin. Kaya hindi alam. O, may request pa. Ano yung request ni Vic?
Quintoro?
Oo, yan. Yung may si Vic lang.
Ate Sarah, ikaw po ba yun?
Forever is not,
You forever.
not
Yung
enough.
ate,
Sige,
sige.
Go po. Yun ang Basil. Yun.
Ayaw mo, sige guys. Nagagawan.
You.
Okay, ano to?
Now, sa bagay walang problema naman, Kleng. Dahil nandiyan man si Ading Mingo, may karelyebo ka kung sakaling mamalat ka, nandiyan man si Ading Mingay.
Yun, oh.
Akala mo, Ading, makakalusot ka? Akala mo, ha?
Yun lang.
Asan na yun?
World record to,
Akala mo, Ading,
Sarge.
ha? Akala mo makakalusot ka, Ading, may parang may karelyebo si Kim?
Cover speech. Paano ba to?
Sarap pumigot ng kapitling, oh.
Sa akin, malamig.
Ah. Baka ika anak ko, Dad, kunyari ka pa din, magkakayan ng anak ko.
Kunyari ka pa.
Kunyari ka. Oh, Jeds, thank you sa agad, Jeds. Thank you sa gift. Salamat sa gift. Salamat sa gift, Jeds. Oh, marami din, oh. Maraming punto si Jed, ah. Jed, thanks sa regalo gift. At Jed. Begin.
You break his heart and tear it apart. And suddenly the madness starts.
Ay, oh shit.
Ako, birit din pala yun.
It's your smile. You face your mistakes. Those little eyes that tell me and make me say, how did you ever walk away? 'Cause it's you. You pierce the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see. When I know I find you. Bitin pala.
Inantay ko talaga yun eh.
Push me up, but never down to give up. We're on the side where no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break his heart and tear it apart. There's suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face in this damage. Those dreaming eyes stare at me and make me say, I would never walk away. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know about you. We're the lead. Ay, kataas yata to. It's your heart's fault, the place you miss those little eyes tell me and make me say, I would never walk away.
Hanggang sa kape. Nakatutok yan eh. Nakatutok yan. Salamat sa kape, Adeng Meng. Adeng, time check, Adeng, time check. Kleng, pwede ka pang hanggang half hour pa, 10:30, pwede ka, Kleng.
Thank you so much, ate, for joining.
Wala naman ako no choice.
Oh. Ay, di, pwede pa, Kleng, pwede ka pa, 10:30.
Ate
Ayan,
Kleng.
Ate, 10:30, mga tatlong songs yan, o 4.
Subscribe.
10:30, Kleng.
Ate Kleng, baka...
Shut down tayo, 10:30.
Baka naman pwedeng lumipat ka na sa agency namin.
Patay, yari ka, Kleng.
Charot.
Yari si Kleng, patay. Yari na kami. Huli. Wala nga. Huli ka, Kleng, yari ng guy.
Mahirap to. Mas mahal na naman to. Mas mahal.
Yari.
Ano bang kailangan gawin ko?
Ayo, mabibingwit. Mabibingwit nga ating
Manunulot ako, Sarge. Manunulot talaga ako.
Quit ka sa agent mo. Mag-quit ka na doon sa agent mo.
Ayun
naligawan ka
tayo.
na agad.
Mag-quit agad-agad. As in now na.
Takot ka na.
Hindi kasi ako active.
Now na. Ganon.
Now na.
As in now na.
Paano ko ba gagawin? Magpapaalam.
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 Pumunta ka na sa appointing. Turuan ka na ni Ading Ming.
Sabihin mo, mahal
Okay.
kita pero kailangan kong umalis.
Ay, I
Oo.
love you, goodbye.
I love you. Goodbye. Ay, pakanta nga yun, ate. Pakanta nga yun. Ay, pa isang sandok nga dyan.
Sige pa. Bago
Pasandok.
po Kay Ate
10:30.
Sarah. Wait lang po.
Ading,
Kay Ate
10:30
Sarah.
Ading, pwede. Siguro tatlong kanta yan. Yung 10:30 tayo.
Nakasali.
Gusto mo na pong yung Forever's Not Enough.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Abang, ito
Ay, oo
yung
nga
request
pala.
niya na yan.
Sorry.
Si Basidik,
Oo, sorry.
request ni Vic yun eh.
Ate Vic, o magkano ka sa Forever's Not Enough?
Wow.
Ay,
Naku, patay. Yari, naku,
patay
magpapay.
tayo dyan.
Yari. Patay, yari.
Igalaw mo ang baso, Ate Vic. Huwag kang mahiya.
I'll try my best po. Wait.
Wow.
Kasi may watong sila yung lalamunan natin.
Walang pinagkaiba na sa golden, eh, no?
Ate, hingi ka lang ng luya kay nanay mo dyan sa baba. Magpapakot ka ng luya sa baba kay nanay mo.
Meron po.
May luya pa tayo dyan sa baba.
And stay in love with you the way I feel. Your love is something no one ever can replace. I can't imagine life with someone else. I promise I will share my life with you. Forever may not be enough, it's true. My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. And forever's not enough for me to love you. I'll spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. They say tomorrow seems so far away, and now we see that everything can change. My love for you gets stronger as tomorrow comes. I know this love will stand the test of time. And forever's not enough for me to love you. I spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. For you is all that I can do, and never will I ever go. Forever's not enough to love you so. But if forever ends one day, I promise you I'll stay to show you that my love will never end. for me to know. So
Ayos. Kaya, 10:20 na po, 10:20 na pala. Dalawang kanta pa lang. Sa bagay, tama. Bawat isang kanta, mga 3 minutes. Time check, time check. 10:20.
Ganun po yung curfew natin. Nakatawa ako. Saan yung isa tayo? Inakyatan natin.
Wala eh. Alam nga, Ading Neng, ako'y natuto lang akong kumanta habang nasa ibabaw ng kalabaw. Nung akong nagpapractice kumanta.
Ay, akala ko, Sarge, talagang may pinagmanahan ka.
Nagmana po sa
Ay,
akin.
Bidang na dyan.
Ayan na, ito na yung ating ano.
Isa si Bidang.
Ay, Maring Pleng.
Ika. Ay.
O, sabi ni
Ading.
Ate, magbabayad, makakabayad talaga ako nito bukas, ginalingan masyado. Ay, sana.
Ay,
You know?
Ading Neng, pinalo ka ni Kwan. Ni Deng. Ayan o.
Ay, thank you so
Manghiram
much.
na tayong upuan.
Naku, thank you so much for the follow, Ate Deng. Ay, dito ka, o.
Ayan,
Baba ko yung ano.
Anak ni Ame rin yan. Anak ni Ame.
Tapos na yung CS ko.
Sino? Ayun yung isa. Deng, pasok na, Deng. Pasok na. Bilis, double time. Nagbayagin. Nagbayagin talaga.
Oh, kadalam, gisingit na, Sarge. Agilop po na kiddalam.
Pasok na, Deng. Saan pumunta kayo?
Nagtampo na.
Sige,
Dapat na magtampo.
Deng, pasok na, Deng. Yan yun. May upuan na. Binigyan ni Ading.
Ayan na siya, ayan na siya.
At kami, para sabay-sabay na tayong bumaba mamaya.
Ay, Sas.
Pasok, Deng.
Pasok sabay baba.
Pasok na, Deng. So, may permit tayo kay Ading Mingay.
Ay, wait lang. Ay, sorry. Okay, yun, you know. Ay, sorry naman.
Apay na.
Dahil ka.
Ay, nakaplo siguro. Ayun, nadalo rin. Kasi nakalap mo pala. Nakaplo pala.